What's up YouTube? This is James, Sasquatch Seekers. Hope you enjoy this short video I put together for you. We are hiking up Norris Creek last night. Seems that we might have been followed by something on the other side of the creek. So keep watching, enjoy the video. Thank you for subscribing. Leave a comment below saying I subscribed, and we'll reply back as soon as we can. And thank you to those who subscribed already. I appreciate your support. Here's the video. Enjoy. Wow. You go around this way. Somebody was smart and brought a machete. They can block us in, but they can't keep us out. Huh? Yeah. Just say she's a Sasquatch? Look at these tree breaks.
Shifted into Sasquatch. Happy birthday. When I heard it,
It's a ways up.
oh, I don't want to go.
Why? What are you scared of?
Look over there.
You don't want to go over where?
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to go over where? Catching on, kid. Should get you to explain this stuff to everybody.
What? It what, James?
It doesn't take good enough videos.
Is it abandoned?
I have to, when I do my videos, I have to adjust it. There's fresh bear poop.
Is it?
Yep.
There's bigger stuff.
So now look on the ground and find the bear paws.
Okay, I really don't want to come across it, James.
You're not going to.
I just missed bigger stuff. He probably is a bear.
Want me to scare it off?
No.
There it is, a bear. That's the Jacobean Trail up there. Don't push me. What'd you throw? What'd you throw? Yeah, see that tree right there?
Yeah.
It's kind of like got a weird like S to it.
Yeah.
That's where I had him standing.
Is that shit from Sasquatch?
Could be.
Oh wow. It's from me.
Looks like that thing's given away more than the last time we were here.
Nice camera.
Your phone shit?
Yeah.
Language, people, you're gonna get me monetized.
What?
You're gonna get me demonetized. Swearing. Look it, it's giving way.
Whoa.
Did that happen?
What was that sound?
That see the clearing in front of us?
Yeah.
From up in there.
What was
There's
it
no
from?
people there.
Is it from a bear?
Yeah. Or the Sasquatch, man.
No, it was probably a bear. Do we have to walk up there?
No. That's on the other side if you want to go through the nudist camp.
Oh, I'm good.
Okay, so how much further?
So walk, Ashley.
5 hours.
Chill.
No, I don't want to go any further.
Too bad. Don't be a wuss.
Come on, baby.
The reason why I brought you guys out here is because they like women and children.
Nudist people?
No, the Sasquatch.
What about the
No, but I'm asking
That
you
was
serious-
pretty trippy.
I'm asking you a serious
It's not
question.
much. We're gonna go through here and then we walk across a couple rocks and we get there.
Oh, I know.
Maddie's been here before.
That was a bear.
You ain't complaining. That was at the bridge. Man, there's some nice swimming holes in there. It's crazy though, eh? Listen to all the water that's running through here and there's nothing moving at the bridge.
Is there a nudist colony over there?
Yeah, people made a nudist camp.
They live there? Just hang
No, they go and hang out there. It's like a literally, they got signs in the trees and then it's like Fraser Valley Nudist Colony or something like that. Did you hear that? Don't be scared.
What is it?
It sounded like rocks moving. It's probably Maddie.
But this one will be. It was me.
Okay, there's more poop. I really don't want to go further.
Ashley, it's old.
James? James,
Huh.
can we just wait till the daytime? I really don't want to go any further.
Okay, I'll meet you guys at the car.
Okay.
Maddie wants to come.
During the daytime.
Fine, we'll come back tomorrow with fishing rods.
Okay.
Scaredy cats.
I'm gonna go down to get the water.
Yeah. Okay, I'll be 1 second. I'll meet you guys at the car. I just want to see one thing. I'll be 1 second. Holy cow, the water's all the way up here. Well, the wife's chickening out, so we'll be back tomorrow. Little fishy in there. Alright guys, here's a short video of a hike. I'll be back tomorrow. It's gonna be sparse the next 3 months with my posting. So, trying to get out as much as I can when people are going out for walks, as my vehicle's down for the moment. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We on a road to 500, and then we want to get to 1,000. Seekers out.
How long should we play it for? A little bit?
What it literally takes the...
Well, listen to it.
And that's on TikTok?
Yeah.
Now I know next time I drop my phone in the water. Any fish? There was a bigger fish.